Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Fauzia binti Aziz. I'm from School of Civil Engineering, College of Engineering. Today I'm going to present my progress report from October 2023 until February 2024. My main supervisor is Professor Technologist Dr. Muhammad Arshad and my co-supervisor is Dr. Hashim Abdul. My research title is development of characteristic of biaxial interlocking block as a load-bearing wall subjected to the compression load. And as an introduction, masonry is a material as old as the civilization has record of excellent performance of lasting qualities. The material widely used because it has an aesthetic appearance, durable, economical, and easy to assemble as a building material. The continued existence of the historical and the ancient buildings around the world is the best indication to explain the durability, resistance against climate change, low cost, and availability of masonry. The available makes it one of the essential materials for construction at present. Okay, biaxial interlocking block or BIB is a new masonry unit that been introduced to the industry. This masonry unit consists of multiple grooves and tongues as a locking system in X and Y direction. The interlocking blocks give various advantages such as reduced self-weight, reduced design load, simple handling, simplification as building components, increased compressive power, reduce workforce, increase construction quality and quantity, and reduce project construction time. Furthermore, the interlocking block units can be applied as a load-bearing wall by a reinforced method with putting the ground material and reinforcement. This study focuses on biaxial interlocking block or BIB properties and behavior as a body unit with the interlocking mechanism through the grooves and tongue under uniaxial compression load. The main features with masonry walls must offer are the compression, tensile, fracture, and shear strength. Generally, masonry is strong in compression but weak in tension. The compressive behavior of masonry due to the vertical load is not crucial importance for design and safety and has been studied extensively over the years. Besides that, masonry is typical composite construction material which is suitable to carry the compressive load. However, its capacity to take the tension and shear is relatively low, and the shear capacity is relatively crucial to the seismic resistance verification of buildings in the seismic zone by Tomasevic 2009. Therefore, that is a typical situation to the new building material with lack of technical data produced before, and this is the high motivation to investigate the behavior and the capacity of the masonry wall under compressive load. Mohamed Fonseca, Wilmerford, Martins, and Lorenco 2017. Finally, the study gave the data and information on the properties of the BIB product and its behavior as a walling system under compression load. Okay, so why we have to carry out this study? So as we know that cement chambering is most preferable masonry unit in masonry construction. It is due to its advantages such as low cost material, light and simple, etc. However, there are several weaknesses of the brickwork masonry such as labor, time consumer, and the quality of the project. So, interlocking system, as we know, that is a system that promoting separation and achieve the stability through the interlocking mechanism. By interlocking system, it will improve in building efficiency, mechanical performance of structure, cuts down the construction cost and time, allow well of transfer less heat through the holes in the measure units, and can be filled with grout and steel bar to improve the measuring wall strength and lateral stability. Shi Zhang, Hao and Shi 2021. So the objective of this research is devoted to investigating the properties and behavior of BIB subjected to the compression load in masonry construction to ensure that BIB appropriate following by British European Standard BICN 1991/2 2005 masonry structures. The BIB item needs to study inside and out. The objectives to achieve these aims are: first, to develop properties of BIB single unit; second, to evaluate and analyze the mechanical properties and behavior of poly system; to assess correlation coefficient and develop mechanical properties prediction equation. The fourth one is to perform and conduct parameter study using the established model and evaluate the walling properties. And last one is to calculate and develop capacity reduction factor in determining design resistance value for the masonry wall. So the scope of study consists of material and the properties of the masonry unit, and also we covered on finite element modeling, which is the finite element modeling was performed to produce established model for validating process of the laboratory work with the software of Abaqus 6114. And for this FEM analysis, the simplified micromodeling was chosen based on the previous study that this method is suitable for the new masonry material purposely for the interlocking concept. So let's have a look what is biaxial interlocking block itself. This is the picture of the BIB, and this is a newly available interlocking system produced by innovative precast builders neighborhood with a size of 700 mm length times by 100 mm width and 150 mm height. This system offers multiple groove and tongue unit on the top of BIB. Okay, so for the literature review, we are purposely looking on the interlocking system itself. So there are several previous study on the interlocking system, starting with Al-Faqih et al. 2020, which is one system constructed without mortar, basically known as tri-stack or interlocking masonry wall. For Forobushi 2019, a system that may eliminate the use of mortar and it may prevent the assembly of the block from separation during construction. Stout Ramos Orenco 2015, the documents allow the blocks to lock themselves during the erection of the walls by eliminating the use of mortar joint. So basically, based on these three explanations on the interlocking system and the rest too, we can conclude that interlocking system means that the masonry unit itself can lock themselves during the erection by eliminating the use of mortar as a binder. So this is the flowchart of my research methodology and the data collection and data analysis for the material properties. And Next is the composite strength test walling system, and this is an example of the graph that have been plotted for the series of walling system that have been tested. This is the data for flexural strength test. This is an example for the BIB walling system, and this is for cement sampling. And actually we also carry out the test on solid BIB block to make as a comparison. Okay, for finite element, we will use Abaqus C.14 as a software with the use of concrete damage capacity model. And this model has been chosen due to represent the mechanical behavior of block and mortar was the concrete damage capacity, and according to Michik and Kaminsky 2019, this model is an adaptation of the Drucker-Pageant model and also used to present the mechanical behavior of brittle materials. And as we know that material is under material that is quite brittle. And this is the parameter that we will use or we will already use in our analysis. And this is the explanation of concrete damage capacity model, which is this is for tensile stress and this is for composite stress. Okay, and this is the result, right? And this is for my Gantt chart for next planning after the revision. Okay, so hopefully will end my journey of PhD at the end of the 2024. And there are 4 publications during my study. And for status of thesis writing, actually I completed for chapter 1 and already discussing with my supervisor for second draft chapter 2 and chapter 3. And for chapter 4, objective 1, objective 2 was completed, objective 3 and 4 is about 50% progress, and objective 5 is 10%. However, for chapter 5 is not available because I'm not starting yet to write about the conclusion, because I'm still struggling to finish my chapter 4. And planning for next semester, okay, I will try to perform parametric analysis on modeling and produce a research paper related to it, and hopefully I will produce a complete thesis writing on chapter 4 and 5, and by the end of the year ready to submit my thesis for Viva Voce. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.